Steve Jobs was the world's greatest business storyteller. He transformed unimaginative product launches into rock concerts with fanatical cheering fans. And you can do this too. You'll be able to inspire and enthrall when you finish this course. Just for a minute, close your eyes and imagine you're standing on stage. An excited audience is staring back at you. You speak. They cheer. You speak again. And they cheer even louder. Feel that success. Feel the excitement of the audience. Imagine how successful your life will be when you can deliver awe-inspiring presentations. 87% of success in life comes down to your ability to deliver amazing presentations. It might be a formal product presentation to a large audience, or it could be a one-on-one presentation to your boss seeking a pay rise. Being able to deliver successful presentations is the key to you living the life you deserve. This course will give you the ability to create emotionally charged presentations just as Steve Jobs did. Steve Jobs was a showman, using simple 3-act storytelling at the heart of Hollywood screenplays. Act 1. Meet the hero and the hero's world as it exists before the adventure starts. Act 2. The hero's world is turned upside down. The hero must overcome challenges to achieve their goal. Act 3. The hero conquers the villain and makes the world a better place. If you're seeking a pay rise, selling products or services, or delivering a speech to thousands of people, this course will show you how Steve Jobs was able to leave audiences awestruck and wanting more. And with a 30-day money-back guarantee, what do you have to lose? If you're not getting the immediate results, then you'll get a full refund. No questions asked. You've absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. Enroll now and begin this fabulous journey to you delivering awe-inspiring presentations.